We have learned about how ions are formed and that an ionic bond is the electrostatic attraction between oppositely charged ions. We will now learn about how to name these ionic compounds and deduce their formula from the ionic charges. Let's warm up with a simple example. We know that sodium loses one electron to form a sodium ion. We also know that the electron is not lost, but transferred to a chlorine atom to form a chloride ion. Let's grab a piece of paper and a pencil and work on this example. Write down the ions side by side along with their charges. Remember that the charges are written in superscript. Now, circle the charges and crisscross them, just like how it's done here. We will bring the charges down so that they are in subscript. 1 is never written in a formula. It's assumed that no number written means that there is one atom. So the resulting formula is NaCl. The positive metal ion always comes first in both the formula and the name. For the negative nonmetal ions, the first syllable stays the same, but the ending is dropped and replaced with an "ide." Chlorine becomes chloride. So this ionic compound is called sodium chloride. Let's keep that piece of paper because we will do another example, this time with magnesium and oxygen. Let's write the ions along with their charges side by side. Then we will crisscross these charges. We should get the following formula, Mg2O2. However, 2 to 2 can be reduced to 1 to 1. Therefore, the formula is MgO. The name of this compound is magnesium oxide. Remember that we keep the first syllable and we change the ending to an "ide." Find the formula and the name of the ionic compound formed from calcium and fluorine. Please pause the lesson and resume once you are done to check the answer. The formula is CaF2, with the 2 written in subscript, and the name is calcium fluoride. If we were to think about it, everything we've described makes perfect sense. We know that ionic compounds have an overall neutral charge, so all charges present must be fully balanced. Using your calcium fluoride example, we can see that to fully balance these charges, the calcium 2+ ion must form an ionic bond with 2 fluoride ions. This concept is stitched together when writing its formula, CaF2. We will do one more example together, this time with aluminum and sulfur. The formula is Al2S3 and the name is aluminum sulfide.